Hello, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Dollar Tree haul for you with some new stuff. First, I'd like to show you this little wooden trees. I have miniature houses, so I'm gonna just add that to it. Same with these. I got a whole bunch of stuff. Green ones, big and little. And this. I don't have a heart one. This probably won't be opened up until late January. This was actually on the discount bin. They're all thrown together. They're all... It's too bright. Okay. Looks like some kind of fencing here. These are always good to use for embellishments. Another dollhouse. Hopefully I'll be able to make a Christmas one. And I found some new diamond paintings. So this collection right here is from two different Dollar Trees. These are actually from the Dollar Tree Family Dollar Hybrid. And I got the last bits of all of them. This was mixed in with the crafting section. I barely saw them. But altogether I have 9, and I know there's like 12 or 13 altogether, so these will stay hostage until I can complete my collection. I'm not going to open them because I really can't handle the noise. But I'm sure you guys have seen most of these before. These are partials. Right here, the big ones. This I've never seen before. But if you have seen it, please write a comment down. And even if you haven't, just make a comment. And that's it. Just a really quick haul for you guys. Don't forget to like, share, hit that bell, subscribe. Have a nice day. Namaste.